Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in the health world. Can cooking oils increase your risk of colon cancer? Stick around to find out. So, you've probably heard about the latest study linking certain cooking oils to colon cancer. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break down what this study is all about. The study, published in the medical journal Gut, suggests that oils like sunflower, canola, corn, and grapeseed might be contributing to an increase in colon cancer cases, especially among younger people. But how does this happen? It all comes down to inflammation. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is like a fire that never goes out, and it can create an environment where cancer cells thrive. Now, don't panic. Not all oils are bad. In fact, oils like olive oil and avocado oil, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can actually help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. So, what can you do to lower your risk? Start by swapping out those seed oils for healthier options. Think of it as giving your body the best fuel to keep inflammation at bay. Remember, moderation is key. Using a variety of healthy oils in your cooking can make a big difference in your long-term health. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.